All right, guys, Mike with NRGcreativ, and I know a lot of you for a very long time have been asking for a camera mount for the large linq cooler. Finally got around to it, and here it is. Check this out. So it's going to be the same Game Changer side mount that is offered for the ski, and I'm going to show you how this one works compared to the other one, because the one for the ski is too big to fit into the holes for this. I don't know why Seadoo did that, but anyway, to solve the problem, here we go. So, Game Changer side mount, simply are going to take this and slide it down in there. It should fit really nice and easy. And then we're going to slide the collar up and put your thumb screw in. So now with your thumb screw in here, once we get it fully tightened, you're good to go, and that's not going anywhere. So now you can take your 360 pole, if you've got the large one like this. Of course, you have to loosen this up a little bit to fit it down in there. Screw it in, lock your thumb screw, and now your pole is secure. Show you what it looks like on the ski and why this doesn't work on the other one. All right, guys, so here it is on the ski. And of course, you can extend your pole up. You've got multiple video mounts. And of course, if you choose to use the side, you can use one of the side ones. So you've got multiple slots that this will fit into. Of course, the side slot are my preferred slots for the video mounts. They will be also coming with a reducer, just like the side mounts for the ski. So if you want to use your smaller pole instead of the large one, you can. Now, I am giving this one its own slot on the website instead of just making this a choice on the Game Changer side mount, because I don't want you guys to get confused. This mount right here, although it will work on the side of the ski, it's going to be loose. The one that's for the ski will not fit in this cooler. So look for the large cooler side video mount, large cooler Game Changer mount. So don't be confused and order the side mount and expect it to fit in this cooler. It will not. You guys will break it, and that is not covered under any type of warranty situation whatsoever. You need to order this one in order for it to work for the cooler. Again, you can use this one for the side of the ski. It's going to be a little bit wobbly because the fittings have to be a little bit smaller to fit in the cooler. So if you're looking for one for the side of the ski up here where you've got the cup holder and so on, you need to order the side mount Game Changer for that. If you're looking for one for the cooler, it will specifically say large seadoo cooler side mount. Okay, so there you go. Once again, guys, it's available. It's on the website. We'll see you out on the water.